Over him, I got no rules, I count him.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eye look. This is look number 2 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series, highlighting the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. In this look, I highlighted mainly this purple color right here. It's super pretty. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing look number 2 in this 10 looks using 1 palette series. So my brows are on, and I'm just going to prime with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. I have the shade L12 Fair. Okay, so I didn't set my eyes with powder. I'm just going to go in with the concealer like this. And I'm going to take Still Shot on this Wet n Wild fluffy brush and lay that down as a transition shade. So I built that color up into my crease and right above it. I'm going to take this Morphe M441 and I'm going to take Hell Ride and I'm going to work that into the crease. Okay, once I have the color laid down, I'm going to go in with that first brush and just blend out those edges. Okay, once I have that built up and blown out really smoky today, I'm going to take this Morphe M506. It's a really tiny fluffy brush, and I'm hoping this one will be really good to add black to the outer and the inner corners. Before I do that, I'm going to pack on Hell Ride, and I'm just going to pack those onto the outer and inner corner, and then I'm going to deepen them with Jet. Okay, so then I'm going to take this M506 and pick up Jet, which I can't tell if it's matte or if it has shimmer in it. It's really hard to tell. Just adding the smallest amount onto my brush and really tapping off the excess. I'm just going to slowly add it to the outer and inner corner. Okay, so I just added black to the outer and inner corner. It looks a little patchy on my viewfinder, but it doesn't look patchy in real life. I don't know why it always does that, but it does. So now I'm going to create a halo effect right on the center, and I'm going to use my concealer that I used to prime today to do that. I'm going to take this Alamar Cosmetics brush. So I'm going to go in with the concealer, and then I'm going to go in with Stranded on top of it. And we will see how that looks. I'm also going to spray Stranded with a setting spray to make it really pop. And I'm just taking it on this Zorea medium shader brush. I have no idea where I got this brush. I'm just going to go back in with that Morphe M506 and pick up Hell Ride and Jet on that brush and blend those edges. Okay, so I'm just going to pop on mascara and lashes quickly and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I just finished up my makeup on another video that will be coming next. So dipping back into that same palette, I'm going to take a clean color brush and go in with Hell Ride and push that right up next to the waterline. I'm going to take this Curie Cosmetics round crease brush and pick up Still Shot and just smoke out the lower lash line. So I grabbed the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in Empire, which is a purpley color, and I thought it would look cool. So I'm gonna put that on my waterline. And I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. I'm using the Jordana Best Lash Extreme mascara. Then taking a Morphe M213, I'm gonna take Breakaway and put that on the inner corner. Oh, that was intense. And right under the arch of my brow. Oh, I need lipstick. And then I forgot to put lipstick on, so I'm gonna put on my Lorac Minimalist. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 2 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Let me know if you guys have this palette and what you think about it. I love it, and I don't really hear people talking about it very much, and it kind of blows my mind because I love it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. I did film this face makeup in another video featuring my little sister, so if you want to see that, that video will be coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.